Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to show up the 3-button navigation on Infinix Hot 40i device. Well, knowing how to show the 3-button navigation on your device can be helpful if you prefer a more traditional navigation style or if you encounter issues with gesture-based on navigation. It provides an alternative method for navigating your device, offering a familiar interface with buttons for home, back, and recent apps. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Firstly, open the settings menu on your device. Well, after that, scroll down please till you find system option and tap on it. Okay, so in this page, select system navigation. And lastly, activate the 3-button navigation here. Well, that's the tutorial on how to show up the 3-button navigation on Infinix Hot 40i device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.